Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are here with day 10 of 31 Days of Beauty, and I want to first off say hello, welcome. I am Nisha, and I hope you guys are excited for today's video. If you are tuning in for the very first time, I want to say for the whole month of October, your girl is bringing 31 different makeup looks for the whole month of October. So I am revisiting some classic old palettes in my collection, or I'm just visiting some new palettes that I haven't tried that's in my collection, or new releases that have been dropping. So if you are into palettes or anything like that, then definitely stay tuned. I have a feeling you are going to subscribe, y'all. It's free $99, and of course I'm bringing you bangers every single day for October. Why not? Okay, so today we are bringing in Miss Hocus Pocus palette. This is Gather Round Sisters. This is the actual first edition with Colourpop. I guess they're going to be continuing this because they already have 3 palettes already with the Hocus Pocus theme, and I have all 3 of them. Yes, all of them. I'm here for them, so keep them coming, okay, Colourpop. So this is the first original collaboration with Hocus Pocus, and this is actually, I want to say, my favorite for the color story wise. I don't get Halloween theme. I definitely get fall vibes, and I'm definitely here for the fall vibes palette. So this is what it looks like. There's no mirror. It's my girls right here in the front, and I believe Colourpop always resells the old palettes when they bring out a new one, if I'm not mistaken, because that's how I got this one, which was last year, and this didn't come out last year. But anywho, let's get right into this look. Alright, so we're going to start off with Brow Bone Highlight. I'm going to put this right underneath. Alright, so I'm feeling a little greenish vibe because I feel like I already did a berry look not too long ago for fall vibes, so I don't want to do it again. So let's go into the green vibe. So I'm going to start off with this green right here. It's a really pretty olive green color, and let's just pack her in the crease. And to buff out this beautiful green shade, I'm going to go in with this color right here. So it looks semi-tannish in the pan, but I don't know if that's going to be too close to my skin tone to where it's not going to really show a difference. So let's give it a try. I can see her, but I definitely can tell that I need to add a lot of product to build her up. I'm going to continue doing this until I get it blended to my liking. Alright, so I did somewhat of a cut crease, and I say somewhat because I feel like I did a little sloppy, but moving on. I'm going to go in with that not only metallic green shade right here, and I'm just going to pop that all over the cut crease part. Alright, and then going in with that dark green again, and I'm just going to close it off in the outer. And I know this black has a little bit of like glitter in it, but I'm going to give it a go. I'm going to put it in my crease because I want my crease to be a little bit more darker and a little bit more defined. Alright, so we're going to move on to the face part now. I'm going to start off with this moisturizer. I really like this one. This is the Laura Geller. I know I'm pronouncing the name totally wrong, but this is a moisturizer slash primer as well, and it works really good. So I definitely want to revisit her again. Oh my god, I'm not even exaggerating, y'all. This smells really good. Alright, and then for my primer, I'm going to go in with a mattifying primer. And this is by MILANI. The foundation I picked out today is a hydrating one. So I'm trying to put somewhat of a matte product on my face. Alright, so foundation, I'm going in with my Colourpop Hydrating Foundation. And if I'm not mistaken, I think this one has a red undertone to it. Clearly you can see. But I haven't used this in a long time, so I'm trying to shake it up as much as possible. I'm about to put a little bit of my fragrance in the mix to make it work for me. Alright, so I got my mixes going on. And then for my concealer today, I'm going in with my e.l.f. concealer, and I believe this is in the shade Deep Olive. So it's very, very, very much so light, but I can see my foundation is still dark. So we're gonna brighten this up a lot. And I did put a little bit too much concealer on. I forgot how creamy e.l.f. is. So I definitely put way too much. I'm going to contour with my Fenty. Alright, for underneath my eyes, I'm going in with my Beauty Bakerie. BLACKRADIANCE for all over the face. And then I'm going to contour with my Makeup Revolution palette. I'm going in with these two shades. So I want to move back into the eye part before I finish up my face. Going in with my NYX black pencil. And then of course I'm going to end with the dark green for my bottom lash line. I really wanted this green to sparkle, so what I just did is I took my finger and I dipped my finger inside this pressed glitter right here. Look how much I picked up. So pretty. And I'm literally just pressing it right on top of that green shadow. And the reason I'm not using any type of glue because I don't want the glitter to stick like really like bold. I just wanted to look a little sparkly, just a little bit. Now for my inner, I am going to go in with some glitter glue with that though. And then for my inner, I just went in with this color right here in the corner. So it's like a frosty champagne, kind of like a silver white color. And then for my cheeks, I'm gonna go in with my Hank & Henry palette, flip it open, and I'm gonna go in with this pink shade right here. Alright, and for my lips, I already went in with my lip liner. Yeah, I've seen that numerous times. It's just the NYX pencil. And now for my lips, I'm going to go in with this Colourpop liquid lipstick. And the formulas of these are really, really good. These are called the Fresh Kiss. And this is in the shade BB Spice. I really like the formula of these. I feel like my lips have been very crusty lately, so I gotta go in with a gloss. I was trying to keep this matte, but I mean, I don't think y'all can see it, but I think it'll show up in my picture. So I'm gonna go in with gloss because I got texture skin going on right here on the bottom part of my lip. It's just been peeling. I think I need to do an exfoliator on my lip, so just going in with some gloss. You end up going in with Colourpop. Just a tad bit, not that much. And then my highlighter, I'm going to go in with the, I guess I'm just going to go in with this palette since I was already using it. Just going to use this highlighter. Alright, so this completes the look. I really do hope you guys like it and enjoy today's makeup look. Really quick, my lashes today are the GLAMLITE and Michaela lashes. Don't remember the name of them, but I'll make sure I have it down at the bottom because I don't even have the package right here. I don't even know where it went. Okay, I think that was the one thing I did off camera. I set my face with my everyday Vacay setting spray, which is giving me my extra glow. Yes. And that was everything that I did off camera. Yes, like I said, I'm feeling very fall with this look, so I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys give this a try. It was very easy. You could avoid the cut crease and just do the same like steps I did. Just don't cut the crease, and this will still be a very beautiful non-cut crease look if you do that, because this, any sparkles, I don't think the camera is capturing, but the sparkles, especially in person, honey, they are beautiful. So that was a nice little touch on the eyes. And this highlighter, girl, I don't come home tonight, let me make love to you for the last time, baby. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I have nothing else to ramble about. Y'all make sure you guys check out the description box if you guys want to know full list of details of everything that I did use, although I mentioned everything. And if you guys want to binge watch your girl, I do have a playlist down at the bottom. That way you guys can play catch up on my other looks. And then other than that, and make sure y'all come back tomorrow for the next look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a beautiful day. Stay blessed, stay amazing, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.